What's up guys, Nicklo5 here, and today I'm going to be talking about how to get through financial hardships. Now, no matter who you are, at some point in your life you're going to go through financial hardship. You're going to have a time when you don't have a lot of money to spend, and it's not your fault. It happens to everybody. Heck, how many times has Donald Trump been broke and had to file for bankruptcy? And he's like one of the richest people I know of. So if it happens to him, you don't have to be ashamed that it's happening to you. It happens to everybody because a lot of people don't understand this, but money actually comes in seasons. Like there are seasons when there's money everywhere. It's easy to make money. Your business is booming. It's easy to find a job. The economy is great. And then there's times when it's like a financial winter. It's like money has gone into hibernation and it's almost impossible to find anywhere. It's like trying to find food in the winter. And it's not always the same way. Like every financial winter is a little bit different. Like sometimes it's very widespread because it's the economy that caused it and like everybody is going through the same thing. And other times it'll be more local. Like it'll be just you because you lost your job and can't find another one. But regardless of the reason for your money troubles, the solution is always the same. And the solution is to prepare for it ahead of time. Because the simple truth is that once you're going through money troubles or financial hardship or an economic crash, whatever it is, once you're already going through that, there's very little you can actually do to help yourself. I mean, you can try to cut expenses and budget and that kind of thing, but what it really comes down to is what you did beforehand to prepare for it. And that's why it is so important not to waste the opportunities that you have right now. If you're not going through money problems right now, then now's the time to be preparing for when you are, because the financial winter is coming. I can't say if it's going to be this year or next year, or if it's going to be just for you or for everybody, but it's coming and the time to prepare for it is now. You don't want to be the guy trying to figure things out after it's already happened. Let me put it to you this way. How do you think a squirrel survives through the winter? You think it just goofs off all summer long and then when winter comes it trusts in its ability to know where the food is and like trust in its skills to gather food when there isn't any food and get what little there is before anyone else does? The truth is, the squirrels who think that way usually don't make it through the winter. The squirrel gets through the winter by working all summer long when there is food and storing it so that when winter comes, he's taken care of. He prepares ahead of time. And ultimately, that's what you need to do to make it through a financial winter. Because it's not so much what you do during your hardship that is going to get you through it. It's what you did beforehand to prepare. Well, I guess that's all I've got for now. Thank you for watching. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section below, and don't forget to click that subscribe button.